Thanks for taking a few minutes to find out more about Pelican Solo Kayak. This kayak is made of high-density polyethylene, so it's durable and will last for years and years. Let's walk around the kayak so I can show you some of its features. The Solo has a shallow twin-arched hull. This gives the kayak unmatched stability and predictable behavior, which allows quick mastery of the kayak. The kayak is equipped with molded inside carrying handles. There are molded footrests so you can find a comfortable paddling position. There's also a paddle park so you have a place to put your paddle when it's not in use. Here, just in front of the seat, is a molded-in bottle holder so your drink is always close at hand. There's a molded seat, and certain models come with an adjustable padded backrest. Certain models also come equipped with a safety flag. The Solo has a swim-up rear deck with handles so you can easily board the kayak from the water. And that does it for a look at the Pelican Solo. When kids are ready to paddle on their own, they're ready to go solo. This self-bailing kayak is a highly functional sit-on-top kayak that is simply scaled down in size to suit smaller paddlers. Superior stability means more confidence for kids. Open cockpit means less worry for parents. Options include a comfort backrest, security flag for visibility, and a junior paddle. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about the Solo. See you on the water.